What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando, and today I got something special for you guys. Top secret, ready to go stuff. I'm here with Heat Press Nation's new TrueSpec lineup. You heard it right, TrueSpec lineup. Everybody's favorite heat press, the TrueSpec, now has bigger brothers. Let's get into it. All right, as you heard it right there, the TrueSpec heat press now has bigger brothers. The lineup just got bigger. Shout out to Heat Press Nation for allowing me to check out some of their new unreleased stuff and be a part of this new launch. Now, some of the few things that I wanted to touch on before we get into actually showing the presses is, who are these presses made for? I understand that I have a responsibility on social media when I'm talking about heat presses, that there are people of all different experiences watching my channel. Whether you're a seasoned veteran and been in the game for years, or you are just brand new doing a little bit of research on heat presses. I want to make it very clear that the best heat press for you is the press that fits your budget. Once again, let me repeat that. The best press for you is the one that fits your budget. Please do not go broke trying to get rich. What I mean by that is, don't put yourself into debt when you don't have to. So the TrueSpec line at Heat Press Nation is top tier equipment. These machines are built to last, they're built for high production, and they're built to make your life easier. Now, most of you guys already know this, but I have a 16x20 TrueSpec heat press, and that is basically my main heat press that I press all my t-shirts with. This press has all the features that I like in a heat press. It's easy to find the pressure on any garment that you throw at it. It has a slide out drawer, good even heating element, and the auto open feature is smooth like butter. And now Heat Press Nation is offering a dual station manual heat press, a single station pneumatic heat press, and a dual station pneumatic TrueSpec heat press. These new presses fit everybody's production needs. Whether you have an air compressor at the house and you're looking for a brand new heat press, or maybe thinking about upgrading to a dual station heat press, and maybe you're like me, maybe you have a single station manual heat press and you're looking for a dual station now. This is the upgrade that I'm highly interested in. As most of you guys know, I have 6 heat presses in my shop. Adding a dual station to my shop would just increase my own production. Is it needed? No, but will it increase my efficiency and my production time? Yes. And mainly that's what I want this press for. The one I'm interested in is the manual dual station. The shop that I'm in now, I can't have an air compressor here. I wish I had house air in the back, but I don't. But for the price and the quality, the dual station TrueSpec is where it's at for me. So let me show you what these presses look like. This was my first impression when actually checking them out. And once again, shout out to Heat Press Nation for even inviting me to this location to get a first-hand look at all the new stuff. All right, check it out. Here it is right here. TrueSpec pneumatic dual station heat press, TrueSpec pneumatic single head heat press, and this one right here is going to be the TrueSpec dual station, not ran off of air. This one right here is basically just plug and play. You're gonna plug it into your standard outlet. You need no air, and everything about this right here is just like the original TrueSpec, built beefy, built like a tank, but it's gonna speed up your efficiency whenever you're pressing and getting going. Now, as you can see, they have all of these heat presses on their carts. Heat Press Nation offers these dope heavy duty carts that holds their heat presses. It's on caster wheels, and then you can double up the carts to put the dual station on. So for somebody that's working out of their garage that's limited on space and they need their press to be mobile, these carts are beefy and they withhold those heavy heat presses. Now, if you're just starting out, do you need this heat press? I would say no. If you wanted to invest in this heat press, it wouldn't be a bad idea, but it's not 100% needed. You can always start out with a Signature Series press. You could even start out with the Black Series press. But what I highly recommend is buying from Heat Press Nation, because this company backs their machines. They have presses for all budgets. Black Series, Signature Series, the Craft Series. They have all of these different series based around your own production needs. Remember, the more expensive the press doesn't necessarily mean the more better the press. The more expensive presses are built for production, meaning you're going to be doing hundreds and hundreds of t-shirts in a sitting. That's what these presses are built for. If you're being realistic with yourself and you're only doing maybe 20 t-shirts in a sitting, 24 shirts, 2 dozen, whatever it is, the Craft Series, the Black Series, those presses will do you just fine. For the Signature Series, if you're doing like 100, 150 in a sitting, that's where that's at. TrueSpec is anything above that. But this is my own opinion on how these heat presses work when it comes to production.
and you can always upgrade later. You do not need to just go out and buy the very best, biggest, baddest machine you can find right out the gate, because sometimes that might be overkill. But if you are looking to upgrade your current press right now, let's say you have a Signature series, and let's say you were looking into getting a second press because production is ramping up for you, getting a TrueSpec would be highly recommended by myself. Because you've made a ton of money with your Signature series already, there's a very good business justification to upgrade to a TrueSpec heat press. And then you could be running the Signature series and the TrueSpec at the same exact time. Or if you're like myself and you're really trying to ramp up production, then you could be looking into a dual station press. And for me, I got my eyes set on that TrueSpec dual station heat press. So once again, here's another look at the heat presses, and shout out to Heat Press Nation for letting me be a part of this launch right here. If you guys want to do a little bit more research for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description for you, or you can just go to heatpressnation.com, read up on all these new heat presses. And if you wanted to see all the Heat Press Nation equipment that I use, you can go to heatpressnation.com/bigbrando.
And like I said, everybody already knows about their favorite TrueSpec heat press right here. This right here is the bigger brothers to this thing. I'm fortunate enough to check this stuff out early, but when you guys are watching this right here, the launch will be live. So get ready for the TrueSpec dual station press right here, the Pneumatic TrueSpec heat press single station, and the dual station ran off of house air. All you have to do is get yourself an air compressor, plug it into your standard 120 outlet, and you're good to go. So you're gonna wanna beef up the speed. This is gonna help you get going a lot quicker, be a lot more efficient. You can be prepping the shirt while you're pressing the shirt, and you already know that this thing is built like a tank. Very robust machine, and they're very, very heavy. So you're gonna need like 4 or 5 guys to help you carry this thing up, but make sure that you guys know everything about this heat press right here is built to last, and it's built for production. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Shout out to Heat Press Nation for always bringing the people very good equipment, very reliable equipment, and the best customer service in the game. Talk to you guys later. Peace.